Hi guys, it's Becky from Hair Up Solutions. I've popped on today to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how to do a French braid in your hair. I'm just going to get stuck straight in. So to start this, we're going to pick up some hair at the front like so. And then I'm going to turn around so you can see. And we're going to get this section now and divide it into 3 equal parts. And then we're going to bring that outer side section over to the middle. So I'm going to use my left section and bring it over the middle slice. So now my left section is now in the middle and my middle section is now on its left. And then I'm going to bring my right section over the middle. So now my middle section is on the right and the right section is in the middle. So now I've got my first stitch. I'm going to release the left side. And then I'm going to come in, slice, picking up that slice I just released, the section I just released, feeling the weight in my fingers, coming over the middle section, meeting my index, and then on the right side, releasing that section. And again, coming in, slice, meeting my index finger, coming over the middle section, meeting my index finger again, pulling down on the slice I'm going to release to make sure there's no tangles, and then coming back in, slice, feeling the weight to pick up the section I've just released, meeting my index finger, over to the middle, meeting my index finger, pulling down to release any tangles, and just repeating this technique. Slice, pick up the weight, over the middle section, meet the index finger, pull, release. Slice, meet, over, meet, release. Slice, meet, over, meet, release. So it's just a case of repeating the technique all the way down. Slice, picking up the weight, meeting the fingers, over the middle slice, meeting the fingers. Slice, over, meet, release, like so. All the way down, and as we get to the nape area and we have no hair left to pick up, we are just going to continue a normal 3-way braid. And if you feel like you can't plait backwards like so, just hold your braid, come round and just finish your braid. I'm just going to pop a bubble in. I've come to the end. Now I'm just going to frame my face. So I always like to frame my face a little bit there to show you the plait. So there we have it. I haven't seen it yet. That's a 3-way French braid on yourself. Hope you liked my tutorial, guys. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you've watched my video this far, thank you very much. It's much appreciated. Bye. See you soon.